Today we're going to look at our brand new data manager in CMaps Analytics. We're going to create a layer, and because in this case I have zip codes, we're going to use the administrative areas. We're going to use the US zips, and then we're going to go to the data tab. Now we can select from a JavaScript API, where we can import from Excel, and then we also now have direct connections to Esri, or we can import CSV files. So in this case I want to copy and paste data. So we'll go to my Excel spreadsheet. Now in CMaps Analytics we accept a number of data fields like location, label, value, which we'll talk about in a moment. And now we can also potentially include the row headers. So we're going to copy this data. We're going to paste it into CMaps Analytics. We're going to indicate that the first row does have column titles. And immediately CMaps Analytics is going to provide us with a screen where we're going to define our columns. So the first column is going to be zip code, which happens to be location. So we're going to save that. The second column is number of hours. Well, this isn't a label, this is a numeric value. In addition to label, location, and value, we also support color. You can define a category, you can define a target, or we even support date and time. So this is going to be my value. I'll click Save. On to the next column. This is going to be not a value, but a label. We click Save. And this is going to be my target. So now that we've saved all of our columns, and we can use this slider to go back, we can now save our layer and view the data on the map. So when I click Save, CMaps Analytics is going to take those zip codes, geocode them, and immediately draw and render all of the zip codes on the map. Now if we want, we can go back to the layer, we can change the transparency, we can apply alerts because we do have a target. So we could say, you know what, anything over 80% I want to make green. So when I save that, CMaps Analytics is going to draw those alerts based on the targets. So very quickly we can go from Excel spreadsheet data like this to interactive views like this.